Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your sunroof fuse is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? That really helps me out a lot. So we're going to go to the fuse box that is in the driver's side here. So it's right here behind this panel. You just pry this panel out a little bit and pull. That cover pops right off. So the sunroof fuse is in slot number 30, which is this one all the way down in the bottom corner. It is a 20 amp fuse. So that's slot 30, 20 amp fuse. That's for your sunroof right there. I will have some fuses linked down in the description below that you can get on Amazon if you want to check those out. But if this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.